Appropriateness of audit evidence. The measure of the quality of audit evidence, that is, its relevance and its reliability in the providing support for the conclusion on which the auditor's report is or opinion is based. Um, Measure of quality of audit evidence. Example, there is a great audit is going on. You are finding many evidence. Every evidence is in equal support to the report. Good, but I come up with an audit evidence which shake the materiality or it gives a pervasive effect to the report. Whatever you got the evidence, which is material evidence, materiality is there. That is something very important. Not only important, it's very pervasive. Example, you found out the directors have done related party transactions. They have got some contract from the company, which the same contract is done. Same material is being procured by the company with outsourced from outside. Near shop, if you get that same material which is substantially less price. But the director has taken the contract and he has charged a higher amount. The materiality amount is material. That is 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore material amount based upon transaction. Second thing, you found out it is a related party transaction. Third thing, you found out this director is related and he had looted this much based upon your valuation of the uh, goods purchased and the goods sold. What is sold in your shop? You're comparing the value. There's a great difference in it. So you found a reliable evidence. So it is a relevance. It's a reliable supporting the conclusion of the auditor's opinion. So by this you are giving an adverse opinion, stating so most of the profit of the organization goes to director's pocket because of this contract.